Hello and welcome to Rust, Sweat and ADOs. So in the past couple of videos you've seen my Reliant Robin, which is the white one, Tom's Reliant Robin, which is the blue one. Well, just to confuse matters, we now have a third Reliant Robin. We have an orange one. Quite like the name, to be honest, the General Flea. So this one, as you can see, is probably in the same condition as all the others. The fiberglass doesn't look too bad. But as you can see, it seems to be missing something outside and inside. And there's also a big hole here, which I guess means that it at least doesn't have any problems with the head gasket. Inside it's similarly stripped of all of the parts and bits and pieces that the previous owner wanted to keep. He bought it apparently to turn into a camping pod, which I'm not entirely sure I'd ever want to do, but I guess each to their own. But at least from this I can take all the bits that I need to fix the white one. We were thinking about putting the white engine in here, and I guess we still mind it's just a case of which one is the easiest and most sensible project. This one also has a good front arm, so we will take that off, but we're missing quite a few parts like petrol tank, drive shaft, engine, gearbox. But the stuff that I need's on here, such as a headlight that's not full of water, a passenger side repeater, the passenger side door, which is obviously damaged on my white car. What we might do is just put it on and repaint it white, we don't know yet. It did come with what looks like a nice radiator, but we are missing the heater box and the blower motor, but at least I've got those. So yeah, say hello to the General Flea. In the next video we will decide which car to put together. We'll cover the pros and cons of each one, and then one of these is getting stripped for spares, and we will, don't know, I guess comment down below what you think we could do with it. I've always wanted to turn it into a Wendy house, but I don't think my wife would approve. What is quite interesting is how much load space is in the back. They're a lot bigger than you think. It's obviously got the back lights as well, which I need for the white one, although this one seems to have gone clear for some reason. So yeah, thank you for watching. Appreciate it's only a short video today, but I just wanted to post the new purchase out. Tomorrow we'll get an update on Lily. Done a bit more painting on that over the past couple of weeks. That project should be finished soon, so it'll be on to the next one. So goodbye for now.